Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 20 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we're in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar. I cannot see the timer, so probably we have to unroll it, or we cannot unroll it. So let's enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, and as you can see right here on the second position we've got the timer. So let's tap on it, and here we've got whoa, quite a lot of options to choose from actually. Usually you've got around 3 or 4 including the off, and here we've got 5. We've got 20 seconds delay, which is quite long. We've got also 10 seconds, 3 and 1. So let's pick 20 seconds because why not? It's so exotic. Alright, so as you can see, all you have to do is to simply tap on the particular option you'd like to use. It will be immediately applied. So as you can see, after tapping on the shutter button, your device will count down from 10, 3, 5 or 20 and after that time it will simply take a photo. So maybe that was not the best option to pick 20 because it will take so long, but that's okay. Alright. And as you can see, the camera flashed, which of course means that the photo has been taken. You can turn it off whenever you want to. Just go back to the timer and tap on off, obviously. It is immediately notified here, so you can be sure that it was applied. And from now on, the device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your ZTE, and I forgot the name of the oh no, I forgot the name of the device. It was ZTE Axon 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.